Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with you some secrets that has made me to become profitable trader, and for some time now, been trading and making some profit out of the market. If you don't know me, let me just take a small time to introduce myself. Seth Owens, and I'm a trader. I'm a day trader. I trade Forex and I trade indices. I've been trading for a longer time now. And most of you guys know me here. Some of you are also new to this channel. So if you are new or you know me already, then welcome to the channel. Today, I will be sharing with you some secrets that makes me trade and become successful easily, just trade easily, successfully without any stress and without any worries. So I will share this secret with you. So if you are watching me today, it's either you are a completely new beginner, you are now being exposed to trading and you found this channel, or you have already been trading, you are already a trader, but you want to fine tune your trading because you trade and still don't make any profit out of the market. So we have two categories: someone who is just new to the market, who just found my channel, and somebody who have been trading for some time and still not profitable. Either of you categories, this video is going to help you. To be able to trade and become successful in the market, you need some skills and some knowledge to be able to do that. You can't just do it like that and then it will work. So my number one secret that has made me trade easily and successful trader is because I trade with a system. I trade with a system. What does it mean? Most of you guys just watch YouTube videos or just learn books and you begin to trade. So what happens is that when you trade today, you trade this strategy today. The next day you trade something else. The next day you learn another strategy you want to apply to the market. The next time you want to trade something else. So you don't trade according to a system, but you trade randomly. You just open your chart. Okay, I can see head and bottom. I can see ascending triangle. I can see head and shoulder. I can see bullish movement. I can see breakout. I can see that. And you trade all these kind of strategies without even following a system. And you trade one strategy today. You trade that strategy, the same strategy, the next 6 months or the next 3 months, which means within those periods, we are trading several strategies. And you don't have to actually know which strategy you are trading at a particular moment in time. You don't know which strategy is giving you profit, or you don't even know the different variations of the strategies. So you are trading randomly. But if you want to become a successful trader, as I do, then you have to trade according to a system. A system is a specific set of rules that you are going to follow. Okay, if this and this happen, I do this. I do only this and this and that. In this case, when something is wrong, you know this is wrong, this is right, this was wrong. So let me tackle this, let me tackle that, let me tackle that. But if you trade randomly, you don't actually know which one to tackle or which one is wrong because you cannot even trace back your success. So to build a successful forex business or become a successful forex trader or a day trader, you must trade according to a system. If you don't trade according to a system, you are going to become confused. I know there are a lot of people out there who have different ways of trading, but if you want to follow me, then trade according to a system. That is one secret that has made me successful and I trade easily. And because I trade with the system, I don't need to worry myself about what the market is doing, because if the market is even going against me and I'm having losing trades, I know definitely my system will still return back to its original position, right? I will still be profitable because if you're trading the system, let's say you're taking about 100 trades, definitely some of them will be profitable, some of them will be losses, and you're definitely going to become profitable. So number one rule, I trade with a system. Okay. The next secret I want to share with you is that I take consistent risk reward. When you say consistent risk reward, what does it mean? Okay. Most of you guys, when you're trading, this is what you do. When you're very confident about a trade, you risk $1,000 to make $5,000, which is you want to take 1:5. If you're not confident about a trade, you risk $100 to make $200 or $300 or $400, or you can even risk $50. Which means some days you risk less, too much less, and some days you risk too much more. If you do that, you can never ever become profitable. I'm telling you for a fact. Because if you don't have consistent risk reward, you cannot become profitable. As a trader, your risk reward must be consistent. Let's say you are always risking $500 of your capital. You must always be risking $500 of your capital. Let's say you are a small guy watching me. You can always risk $200. When you risk $200, make sure that you gain $400 or something more. You should never be risking $100 today. The next day you risk $1,000. The next day you risk $50. If you do that, you cannot become profitable. Guys, are you watching? Are you listening to me? You cannot become profitable. So you should not do that. You should have a consistent risk reward. Okay, let's say your whole capital you're using to trade is $3,000. Out of the $3,000, what is 1% or 2% or 3% of $3,000? Let's say that you decide to choose maybe 2%, or let's say 1% of $3,000 is what? Is $30, right? And 10% is $300. Okay, let's say you decide to risk, maybe you decide to risk 5%, which is maybe it will be around $150. So every time you take a trade, you lose around $150, or let's say $100, or let's say $120. It's around the same figure. And when you gain times two, at least times two, maybe $300 or $400 or $500. It must be around the same figure. But it shouldn't be much different. Like for instance, today you risk $50, the next day you risk $200. You see, there's a big difference. If you do that, you cannot become profitable. So you must have consistent risk reward as a trader. Okay. So the first one, you must what? You must trade according to a system. Second one, you must have consistent risk reward. All this while, you are not be profitable because of this reason. Today, you trade this, the next day you trade that. And funny enough, if you are trading and you don't have consistent risk reward, the trade that you are very confident about that, oh, this trade, this setup, I've seen most people trade this, so I'm going to trade and make profit. So you put all your capital on it. Those are the trades that are going to be losing trades. And the trade that you're not sure whether it's going to work or not, you risk a little and you gain a little. That's the trade that's going to be a winning trade. So if you do that, you see that your win becomes smaller and your losses rather become more. So make everything flat. Whether you're winning or you're losing, everything should be flat. You're risking 1 into 2 every time. If your capital you're risking $300, always risk $300 and make $600. Simple. So every day $300, or maybe you can risk $290. You see, very close to $300 or $310. Around the same figure, but when you are making profit, you make twice of it. If you do that, you can always become a profitable trader and you will never lose. Okay, now the last secret that has made me successful and profitable is that I trade good market environment. No matter how good your strategy is, or no matter how good you are, and you trade in the wrong environment, you are going to have losses. Let me give an example. Let's say you are a great engineer, right? You are a great engineer, or let's say your professional career, you are very good, and you went to a small village, a small town where they just need somebody as a shop attendant or whatever. Your qualifications will never matter, right? Let's say they're going to pay you in the city. Let's say they can pay you $3,000 or $4,000 a month, or let's say $5,000. When you go to a small village with a small grocery store with the same certificate to go and work at a grocery store, they also pay you like something like $500 or $700. The certificate does not matter because you are working in the wrong environment with your certificates or your qualifications. The same happens to the market. If you are trading the market and you trade the market in the wrong environment, no matter how good you are or how good your strategies are, you can never have a profitable winning business because you are trading in a wrong environment. Okay, so when you say to trade in the right environment, what does it mean? Make sure that anytime you are applying your strategies, you apply your strategies to match the right market environment. So you know that on this channel, we use what we call the currency strength meter. The currency strength meter is a tool that helps us to sort out which market is weak and which market is strong. We merge the strongest with the weakest if you want to find a trending market. So you see that one alone, sort out all the unnecessary currency pairs. You know, okay, today the pound is strong, the yen is weak, or today the yen is strong, the pound is weak, or the USD is strong, the CAD is weak. You merge them and you're going to find a perfectly trending market. You don't have to be searching for trending markets. So if you use this tool, it's going to help you to sort out all the unnecessary market environments. You're going to trade in the right market environment. I think this is one of my most secrets I've been used to become successful as a trader because it doesn't work. Like, I don't know myself at all for the past 7, 8 years now. I just look at the currency meter every morning and just compare and just choose how the currency pairs have to trade. I don't have to worry myself at all because the currency meter will do all the job for me. And if I apply my strategies in the right market environment, it always yields good results, which means that most of my trades become profitable. So you must always trade in a good market environment. So now let me recap. First, you must trade according to a system. Two, you must have consistent sample trades, consistent risk reward, which means when you're trading, your risk reward must be consistent, so you'll be changing it. Three, you must trade in a good market environment or right environment to become profitable. Most people watching me, you learn my strategies, or maybe you watch my video, and then you go back when you're trading, you trade in the wrong market environment. No matter how good the strategy is, you cannot still become profitable because you are applying the strategies in the wrong market environment. So please learn from it, especially the first scenario I gave the scenario that if you are a professional and you go to a small village, a grocery store, they should pay you some $500 or $300. That's exactly how they're going to pay you. They're not going to pay you something like $3,000 or even $2,000 because you are in the wrong market environment with your qualification or certificates. The same happens to trading. So if you follow these 3 steps, you're definitely going to become profitable. Okay, you're definitely going to become profitable. I think I'll end the video here, and I've shared some knowledge with you here. If you like the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and come back every time to watch such videos. And until then, take care of yourself and see you next time.